a little pink whale.
It's finally spring. I'm a bit delayed posting as I've had COVID, and I'm still not 100%.
Here's a lamp I garbage picked. I'm going to fix it up this year. The shade's a bit of a problem. Sometimes people throw out stuff that is still pretty good. If you look in the top left corner, you can find a project where I did something.
So I did find something interesting that someone was throwing out, and I'm going to share it with you. So here it is now. One recent thing was just amazing find. Never before seen the light of day. It's this. The triple purpose device. I guess it's an ashtray lighter cigarette case. Ashtray lighter cigarette case. And up, not too sure what that means. So let's open it. So, since I don't have a regular rig, I'm going to open it this way. So we're going to pop this open. There. Oh, look at that. It's a little pamphlet with tortoise and crane candlestick holders. And this one is dragon phoenix cases. And on the inside, more wonderful things. Amazing stuff there. This is actually probably from the 80s, going by the design. Looks like my old camera pamphlet. It's a Japanese camera. This is actually Chinese. So let's see. Oh wow. Oh. So what do we got? Something wrapped in paper. Another thing wrapped in paper. And a large thing wrapped in paper. Start with this guy. Oh. There's the lighter. I don't smoke, so I have no clue how this works. Let's see the reservoir. Filled in that way. And it's never been opened. Look at that. Prints. Alright. This must be the main piece. Ooh. As advertised, it's bronze. Ooh. That's must be for your cigarettes. Alright. And there you go. It's interesting. The base is wood, and it's screwed on, and alright. Let's see what we got here. Here's a chicken head. Oh, awesome. There's the ashtray. And that's your cigarette case. Well, it's chicken with wheels. I don't quite get that, but if we take that out, kinda. Oh, wait. Oh. Where does this go? Oh wait, like that. No, hey, no. I feel this should go in here, but it doesn't really want to fit, and it's the chicken head goes there. It doesn't fit. All right. Chicken head. Work with that. Interesting. Well, some mysteries are never meant to be solved. No. Well, maybe. I did look this up on eBay, and I only found one, and it didn't describe how it worked. So let's, well, I'll come back to this in a sec. This guy was just a little bit stiff, so he's got a sparker. There's no butane in it. Oh, and I'm just getting over COVID. So, I went through the house, and I couldn't find any until I came back out here, and I found some butane. So let's see if this is going to work. High quality universal gas. Most lighters will need no adapter. I'm glad to hear that. So take this. I just watched a thing on YouTube, of all places, with a guy telling you how to do this. So I'm going to take that, just make sure there's nothing in there. Press the valve. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, nothing going on. Put that in. Upside down. Lovely. Well, that worked out pretty good. Oh, butane smells. One sec. Now I'm afraid. Do it this way. I'm right-handed. Is it me? Hey! I just found some piece of cork stuck on here, which must be from this. Adapters. Blah, blah, blah. This is handy instructions. Ignite lighter away from face. Oh, that got a light. Almost. Well, if you're real quick, you could light a cigarette off that. Hey, we got some liquid butane there. Lovely. It's cold too, and oof, well, I guess that's no good. Hey, stop that shit. I'm a little worried about that. Well, enough of that. I'm getting worse at this. Let me sit for a minute. I think I could blow something up with that. See? Okay, let's try this guy again, one last time. Ah! Well, if I knew what I was doing, I think it'd work. But there you go. So let's put this away. So there you have it. The triple purpose device. It's a ashtray, lighter, that thing which doesn't seem to want to go anywhere, and cigarette case, which is this. So I think I'm going to give this away, or take it to my sister's cottage and hide it there. She'll love me. Or maybe we'll give it away as a door prize at our Captain and Tennille barbecue. Alright, well there you go. So here are the triple purpose device. Found in the garbage, never before seen by the eyes of men. And maybe you can buy one on eBay if you really, really want it. So there you go. Boom. Thank you very much. Well, if I can't light the lighter, at least I can do is return the whale to its blue Arctic seas.